welcome back. In this video, let's look at the summary of The Darling written by Anton Chekhov. Characters: Olenka, the daughter of a retired collegiate assessor, very beautiful but is also emotional, gentle, soft-hearted, compassionate, mild and tender eyes. Easily sways with the opinions around her and follows those that are closest to her, and is referred to as a darling for her sweet personality and willingness to give. Plemyanikov, Olenka's father, a retired collegiate assessor, has fallen ill and dies in the beginning of the story. Olenka's first male figure, Kukin, neighbor of Olenka, manages the open-air theatre, becomes Olenka's first husband and dies when he works in Moscow. Described as a small thin man, yellow face with curls, talks in a thin tenor voice with an expression of despair, but had a deep, genuine affection in Olenka. Vasily Pustovalov, Olenka's neighbor, is a merchant from a timber yard. He comforts her after the death of Kukin and falls in love with Olenka. Falls ill from a cold and later dies a few months later. Olenka's third male figure, Smirnin, a veterinary surgeon, has separated from his wife, who, as his son, left her because of unfaithfulness, easily embarrassed by Olenka. Sasha, Smirnin's son from his previous marriage, attends school and is very intelligent. Parents abandoned him for work and social lives, so was raised by Olenka. Introduction. Anton Chekhov started writing short comic stories while attending medical school to help pay for school and his family. He finally became a full-time writer in 1892 and wrote his famous stories such as Neighbors, Ward Number 6, The Black Monk and The Murder. Chekhov is known throughout Russia but remained unknown internationally up until World War I, when the majority of his works were translated into English. The main character of Olenka may be based in part on Chekhov's mother, who had deeply loved her own father, traveling all over Russia with him as a fabric merchant, and who stayed loyal to her husband through abuse, alcoholism and bankruptcy. Summary. Olenka Plemyanikova, the daughter of a retired collegiate assessor, falls in love with the theatre owner Kukin. Olenka's father dies and she marries Kukin. The two of them live a happy married life. She soon takes over some of his roles in the box office by keeping accounts and the business end of some payments. During this time, she becomes more involved in the business and acts like Kukin. Kukin travels to Moscow and dies. Olenka is given word of his death and mourns for 3 months. Olenka soon finds another man. She becomes attached to Vasily Pustovalov, a merchant from a timber yard. After a few days, she becomes infatuated by him and they marry. Olenka disregards all responsibilities of the theatre and concentrates on the opinions and thoughts of her new husband. Two of them live a comfortable life of casual talk and religious activities until Vasily becomes ill and dies from a prolonged cold. Shortly after Vasily's death, another man enters Olenka's life, Smirnin, a veterinary surgeon. Smirnin complains that he had left his wife and son because of her unfaithfulness, so he is offered the lodge to live in with Olenka until he is able to fix the situation. Olenka and Smirnin become involved with one another but try to keep it a secret. This fails because Olenka talks to Smirnin's friends about the cattle, which embarrasses him. Smirnin leaves to travel to Moscow and is gone for months. During this time, Olenka cannot think of anything independently from a husband or predominant male figure and is unable to create an opinion. Smirnin finally returns and states that he has started working again as a veterinary because his son is now at the age of attending school and that he has reconciled with his wife. Smirnin's family moves into the lodge that Olenka offers to them. Olenka soon becomes obsessed with the son, Sasha. She follows him to school and confesses that she loved him. Never had her soul surrendered to any feeling so spontaneously. The final line in the short story is a quote from a sleeping Sasha. I'll give it to you, get away, shut up. From this, we can find the conclusion of the story. The predominant theme in the story is co-independency. Olenka is obsessed with her male companions because she depends on them for validation and social status. It was evident that she could not live without attachment. Everyone calls her the darling because she is generous and supportive, which is seen by adults in the community as a positive trait. The story ends abruptly with Sasha rejecting Olenka, calling out her codependent behavior, pointing out her folly in the way only a child can do. Thanks for watching this video. We meet again next time with another interesting topic.